Let us explore Jingdezhen hand-painted porcelain workshops. Today, we'd like to share about the Jingdezhen hand-painted porcelain workshop, Porcelain kiln, and the consumer trends in hand-painted porcelain. Porcelain is popular not only for its practicality but also treasured for its artistic value, reflecting a rich cultural heritage. In regions like Southeast Asia and Western countries, the traditional craftsmanship of handmade porcelain is particularly precious. Despite economic pressures and the dwindling number of craftsmen, this skill is becoming increasingly rare. Workshops like Porcelain kiln, with their complex designs and traditional materials, are especially favored by collectors. Jingdezhen's antique-style porcelain is more often used as a decorative element, while the functionality of everyday ceramics is gradually diminishing. Current luxury market trends indicate that consumers prefer products that come with a story or represent a long-standing artistic tradition. For manufacturers and retailers of hand-painted porcelain, emphasizing the craftsmanship and unique characteristics of the products might be beneficial. Due to the mass production of mechanized ceramics, the practicality of workshop ceramic products has weakened. Yet their consumer base still cares about the history and artistic taste of the handicraft tradition. We hope this sharing of the hand-painting process will let you see that Jingdezhen's hand-painted porcelain continues to inherit tradition. Whether you are a collector, enthusiast, or just a curious visitor, welcome to Jingdezhen to explore this vibrant millennium-old capital of porcelain.